Today I'm going to be looking at a few YouTube channels in the AI space, offering everything from the latest AI news and deep dives. According to this YouTube trend, this Google trend, this was last year. As you can see, it is rising. It is going up. Hard not to notice in the AI trends this year that seem to get everybody's attention in stuff like AI in customer service, AI augmented apps. And this one is a really hot topic. AI jobs. The amount of views that people are getting on YouTube for just creating news. This one here, AI grid. Before I even look at what these videos are about, check out the analytics on this channel. Yeah, you saw that right. 1.54 million views. That works up to, on some days, almost 100,000 views in a day. And according to Tubebuddy, the subscriber growth is really good as well, 6,000 over the past 30 days.
Is very, very smart.
As expected, there's no face in the video. However, there's only some captions in the beginning of it, a little bit of a background, an actual human voiceover, and just pretty much somebody researching and going through the news, the latest AI news, giving their own opinion, simply sharing the screen with no kind of special effects, even showing you the simple tools here that they're using to share the screen. There's also some video in the video. Well, it's actually somebody else's YouTube video. This is the person looking at a video. If you take a look down here, this video is posted just 15 hours ago. It has almost 15,000 views already. You see that this channel here, as it gets 1.54 million views, that actually works up to $15,000 profit. Because if you look inside of the description into this video, you see there's a Patreon page where you could become a paid member with different membership plans. There's one here that if you pay $19 for the month, you get all of this extra content. And it says here it's actually going to raise soon. This other one is called 2-Minute Papers. What a catchy name. And I'm sure you're interested in the analytics here as well, which you'll be pleased to know it's roughly the same amount of views for the month. Even though it's a bigger channel, you don't need to have over 1 million subscribers to get that amount of views. But they certainly do post a lot less than that other channel that we looked at, with only 9 videos over the past 30 days. At a first glance, I have to say that their thumbnails definitely do stand out a lot more. And before even looking at what the videos are about, I'm sure that these thumbnails have a lot to do with the amount of views that these videos get. This is just 2 days ago. I do think that combines well with their great titles. Look at this one.
Here are some of the incredible things that I've seen.
Okay, so after I took some time to go through the entire video, I think it's a lot better edited than the last video. It's a little bit more engaging. The voiceover is not as compelling to me as AirGrid, but that's just me. It has a really good overall concept. This next channel ranks number 1 out of my 3 examples for a reason. By pretty much doing everything right, in that it has really good thumbnails or some titles. And if I just dive into one of the videos here,
Up and down stairs, the whole 9 yards. And to be honest,
not only does it have a really good voiceover, the videos are really well edited. With the interest of this trend here, where it actually has a 100 score today. A channel like this, with just over 100,000 subscribers, has 1.3 million views over the past 30 days. And since this number is pretty much the same as those other channels that we looked at, they could already be making this much for the month. And what I would definitely do is start the smartest way possible. And that's by taking somewhat of the easy approach, which is this channel, AirGrid, where all you really need is a tool to do your screen recording. I'm using this tool called OBS Studio, which is totally free. I didn't really find any need to use anything else. That is the only thing you need if you were taking the same approach as this channel here. Doing your research, sharing your screen, whether it's on blog posts, news articles, or even other videos that you find on YouTube or any other social media platform, and just simply talking over it.